Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch a profitable membership site or business directory without having to hire an expensive developer. Now, the tool that I'm talking about specifically is called Brilliant Directories. It's a really powerful all-in-one directory software that basically allows you to build a professional listing site like Yelp or Yellow Pages, manage members and subscriptions, and start generating recurring revenue super efficiently, fast, and on complete autopilot. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you struggle like me to immediately implement a tool that you've purchased on AppSumo? Well, I want to change that. So over the past 3 to 4 months, I've been thinking about running these implementation challenges. And now I think now is the perfect time with Brilliant Directories. So here's what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking about running a 3-day implementation challenge for free, where I will take you on day 1 to help you decide on what is the best directory website for you. And on the last day, you will have a fully functioning directory website that you could use to kickstart your directory business. Now, I'm thinking of running this implementation challenge after the AppSumo campaign to give as many people the chance to grab the tool first, but I'm only going to run this if I get at least 10 serious people to join this waitlist. So if you are serious, click the link in my description, put your first name and your email to join the waitlist, and I will notify you if and when my 3-day implementation challenge begins. Now, I've partnered with AppSumo to run a giveaway for your chance to win a Tier 3 license of Brilliant Directories in celebration of its launch on AppSumo. So if you want to join this giveaway, click the link in my description, put your first name and your email to enter. Now, this Brilliant Directories AppSumo lifetime deal allows you to create one lifetime website, and Tier 1 gives you 250 members. Now, a member is essentially a person with an account on your directory website, and with Tier 1, you get 50 instant business records. Now, that basically means a business listing entry on your website. Now, unfortunately, with Tier 1, they do lock you out of quite a bit of features here, including the click-to-call feature and the pay-per-post feature. So I would recommend Tier 3, which unlocks most of the features, and I think makes Brilliant Directories much more usable and valuable, especially because it unlocks your ability to reply to reviews, and you can have your listings be claimable by business owners, and you can also enable private member chat as well. Now, I do have a Tier 5, which unlocks all of the features. So you get developer tools, Zapier, and webhook integration and support. You also have the ChatGPT content creator, and you can view and use their stock photo library. Now, I will show you all of these features in a few moments so you know exactly how they work. Now, one great thing if you get Tiers 3 or higher is you will receive a 75% off promo code for additional purchases through the Brilliant Directories website. And this promo code is valid within 6 months after purchase. So if you want that promo code, you need Tier 3 or higher. So when you set up your Brilliant Directories account, they take you through a step-by-step process to get a MVP website up for your specific niche. So for me, I decided to create a mobile car detailer directory listing for businesses in Los Angeles. Now, what's cool is it does generate an AI logo for you. Now, one thing I am noticing is that the logo, the left and the right side is cut off. So I'll need to figure out how to fix this logo. But here you could see the homepage. So all of this content was automatically generated. Now, I did import these mobile car detailers from Google Maps, and I'll show you how to import businesses in a moment. This one right here is what I created as a business owner, my own listing on this website, and you could see some additional copy here, and it also automatically comes with a footer. Okay, so this is the main Brilliant Directories dashboard where you could view all of your most important stats at a glance, and you can get access to the most important parts of your directory website. They also give you web analytics as well, so you could see exactly over time how many signups you've received, leads, reviews, so on and so forth, including your website resources like how many members you have and your limits, your website storage, bandwidth, and daily emails sent as well. Now, when you have your directory site up and running, there are 5 main things you can do. You can manually add a new member. So a new member is someone with an account, like a business owner who wants a directory listing on your website. You can also create an email newsletter. So you can use this tool for your email marketing. You can create an invoice to charge businesses. You can create a blog post for SEO and educating visitors, and you create web pages on your directory site. Now, since this is a directory site, you need to have people sign up for a membership. So these are the various membership plans that were automatically created for me. So this is one of the main ways you can make money from your directory site. Okay, so there's 3 main plans here. So I have a free membership plan. Now for this free membership plan, if they get a lead from their directory listing, they would need to purchase that lead for $20. Now, if they go the monthly route with membership plan number 2, you could see here it's $10 per month. You could also charge annually, and you could also set the lead price. This is lower at $15. And for the highest membership plan, it's $20 a month, $200 annually, and it's $10 per lead. And this is how it is displayed on your join page on your site. Now, I didn't add any details here, but you could see it's 3 plans. First plan is free, and then it jumps to $10 per month or $20 per month. So business owners can go here and decide which plan they want to join. Now, to create a new membership plan, we're going to go here, and it opens up this very long form that you can fill out with all of your important information. You can give it a membership plan name. So I'm going to say plan 4. Now, when they enroll in this plan 4, you can assign an account type for that member. So it's paid, free, or claim. And the preferred payment term can be selected right here. So I think yearly or monthly is best. You can set the pricing here. What's cool is you can also set up a one-time setup fee as well. So you can help them get started by adding all of their business information on your directory website so they can get started on the right foot. And if you want them just to try out your directory site first, you can enable a free trial period. And there's also some automation built in as well. So after they sign up, you can set the account status as an active account. Inactive account requires email verification, or on hold requires admin approval. So if you want things completely automated, you can set it as an active account so they can go in, make their purchase, and set up everything by themselves. Or if you want to approve everyone that signs up, you can turn it as on hold, requires admin approval. So you can go one by one and approve everyone who signs up. You can also change and decide how the profile pages of your members look and what information they have on plan 4. So under the profile page tab, you can select member information to display on profiles. Like, do you want to show their website link, their phone number, click to call button. Now, click to call, that is available starting at tier 2, and set up additional page display settings as well. Like, do you want to show send message buttons and forms, enable private chat messages, show banner ads on profile, and with the private member chat, that is available starting at tier 3. And you can have members reply to reviews as well. And that feature also unlocks in tier 3. You can also decide what shows up in the members dashboard. search visibility rules, and decide what type of content they can post. Now, posting allows them to create content on your website to increase their visibility, show their expertise, and engage with people on your website. And you could be very specific here. So you can allow them to post, for example, like community articles, and they can be free and paid posts, only paid posts, no free posts, only free posts, no paid posts. And you can also charge a price per extra post. Also, if you want them to post coupons as well, that is an option. Events, job listings, photo albums, if you want them to have the ability to upload products, so on and so forth, even video. So as you could see, you could go very granular with what you can allow people to have, to post, and to show depending on which membership they sign up for. Now, after you have your membership plans set up and people start signing up, you could view all of your subscriptions under your subscriptions view. So you know exactly who is subscribing, how much they paid, and when the next payment will be. And to encourage more signups, you could also create coupon codes. So you can create discount codes that users can apply during sign up or when upgrading their membership. Now, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can do that under Manage Offers. So you could promote popular business tools to earn affiliate commissions. So you could automatically display these business toolkit offers in your members' dashboards by updating membership plan settings. So when members log in, they could view these quote unquote business toolkit offers. So there are 21 offers available, and they are organized under different categories like website builders, branding and design, legal businesses or legal services, payments, marketing tools, so on and so forth. So these are all tools and services that local business owners could use to grow their business. And all you do is add your own affiliate link right here and click save. Now, if any of these might not be relevant to you, or if you want your own custom offers or services, you could actually add new offers. Like say, for example, if you want another website builder that you want to promote, you can click on add new offer and you could fill in your new offer information right here. So you can add the offer image, descriptive text, and the CTA link URL. So this is where you would put your affiliate link and you would add the CTA link text. So this is your call to action text. Now under members, you could view all of the businesses that are listed in your directory site. So as you can see here, I have about I believe it says 15 members. So what's cool is you could view their specific membership details, like what plan they're on, when they joined, and how much revenue they're bringing in as well. Now, aside from people signing up to be a member themselves, you could also manually import members as well. So you can add a single member or import a CSV file. Now, when you first launch your directory site, you will have 0 members, right? Now that doesn't always look good to have 0 members. So what you could do is populate your directory site with real businesses from Google Maps, okay? So under business data, you can find specific businesses that you can automatically import into your directory site from Google. So you first need to select a business category, and there's tons of categories, and I do believe they do come from Google Maps. So I have a car detailing directory site. So I'm just gonna search for, car detailing, and I do see it here, car detailing service. If you want to import a specific business name or a business with specific keywords in them, you can add it right here. And then you need to enter a specific location. So I'm going to say Los Angeles. And you could also select the preferred attributes you require these businesses to have in your search. So if you want the businesses to already have an email, phone, website URL, and if it was updated in the last 30 days. Now, if you select all of these, your list will be much shorter, but at the same time, your list will have very valuable information that people would need to contact them. So I'm going to select all of them, then click on search for records. So Brilliant Directories was able to find 13 businesses, okay? So they're labeled car detailing service in Los Angeles with their email, phone, website, and it was recently updated. Then I can click on continue to import settings, and I can import all of these businesses automatically on my website. Now for the front end content, all of that is accessible under the My Content section. So for the website page builder section, these are all of the pages that Brilliant Directories automatically created for me. So I don't need to start from scratch in building out these very important pages. So you automatically have a login page, a pricing page, which you saw earlier. You have an about page, contact us page, including privacy policy and terms of use pages. So everything you need, or at least the important things you need to start your business directory website is here. Now let me edit the homepage. So from this view, you can edit the page content, the SEO settings like the SEO meta tags, and also the social media sharing, the open graph tags here, and also some advanced settings like page level, CSS styles, page level head tags, and footer JavaScript. If you have it, you can add it right here. Now let me try to edit my page content. So this page content is right over here, okay? Now if you scroll up, these are other blocks that automatically get populated and is part of the layout. Now, since I have a car detailing website, I think this image isn't too relevant, so I'm going to switch this out. So I'm going to go in here, click on replace. I can drop an image from my computer. I can add an image via a URL. I could browse my library, my Brilliant Directories library, or I could choose from stock photos. Now this feature is available starting at tier 5. So you do get the stock photo library and it looks like this, okay? So in terms of which libraries you have access to Pexels, Pixabay, Jiffy, Unsplash, and icons as well. So for the keyword, I'm going to search for cars and I want a square image. And I'm going to search under the Pexels library, click on search photos. And here we go. So I kind of like this one right here. I'm going to select maybe medium size and I'm going to add it. Okay, so I've automatically added this stock photo from Pexels on my homepage. Now on the right hand side, you do have pre-made elements. Okay, so you can add another image, you can add a video, a button link, so on and so forth, including basic content blocks as well. So maybe if you want another element that looks like this, you can select it and drag it. So maybe I want another one with an image on maybe the left-hand side. I could do that. Okay, now it's added above this original one, but actually, I kind of want it to be below it. So let me delete this. So it's not too easy to use this page content editor. Okay, so since this looks like a table, I think I need to remove table. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, the UI UX isn't I would say the best here. It clearly is a very powerful tool, but at the same time, using it and getting comfortable with it will take time. Okay, so I just need to make sure I have my cursor right here and I can click on this element and drag it. And there we go. So as you could see, it isn't as easy as maybe using Wix or any other landing page builder. It's kind of a little old school, I think. So from here, we can add an image. You could also change the style of your media as well. So maybe if you want something that's rounded, you could select rounded. I'm going to upload an image from the stock photos again. Now the keyword I'm using is car wash, and I think this one is pretty cool. Someone's washing a car, so I'm going to select that. Now in terms of the media style, you could do like circle, you can enlarge on hover, you can also hide it on mobile, tablet, or desktop if you want to. Now this is a little large, so if I click on the size, I could either make it auto, and let me try 500 for width and height, okay, or you could drag it like this if you want to. I can align it maybe to the right, something like that. And I can add the text on the right-hand side, something like that. Now I'm going to click on Save Changes. And when I view the page, I can scroll down and my changes will be applied to my homepage. So as you can see, I do need to edit the spacing here. So adding content does take some time to do to make sure it looks the way you want to. So just keep that in mind. Now, aside from the homepage content, you can also create blog articles as well. So this is my main website blog section. It has 3 articles here. Now under manage posts, you can manage all of your blog articles. So say for example, you want to edit blog article number 1, click on edit post, and this is where you can edit or create a new blog article. Now for this blog, I do want to add a photo, so I'm going to click on stock photos. Now for the blog section, the libraries that you have access to are Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. I'm going to select Unsplash, then click on search photos. Okay, I think Unsplash has much better stock photography. So I'm going to select this one right here. Okay, so I must select an image size first. So let me do medium. Click on this download icon. Okay, so my main header image for this blog is updated. And here is where you can write your article content. So you have your kitchen sink of various font selection drop down here. You can make things bold, italicized. You can add images, video. You can embed a URL as well. Now, one cool feature is this ChatGPT integration. Now, this ChatGPT integration is available at tiers 5 or higher. So this is the ChatGPT content creator. So the way it works is pretty interesting. So it kind of works like chat. So you need to give it a prompt in this area here. So I can say, write a 200-word blog article about the benefits of car detailing. I need to highlight it, then click on the ChatGPT icon, and it will automatically read this prompt and generate content for me. Okay, and here we go. So this is the response. So car detailing is more important than just a routine wash, so on and so forth. So this is how the ChatGPT feature works. So you can go in here, make your changes, then click on save. Now this ChatGPT feature should be available for other areas of the tool where you can write content. So as long as it has this menu bar here, it should have the ChatGPT icon that you can click on to generate all types of AI content. And this is how the blog looks like. So it has my image and it has my AI generated content right here. Now, tier 5 and higher also unlocks developer tools. So I believe that is the developer hub. So in here, you can set the image settings, create and manage 301 redirects, access your htaccess file, customize or reset the website's robots.txt file. There's even a cPanel dashboard, and you could also access the MySQL database. You can also generate an API key and activate and edit webhook links. Now, webhooks is also available at tier 5 as well. And these are all of the various webhook events that will trigger like the webhook, right? So you have member review submitted, contact us form submitted, newsletter sign up, tons of different events, as you could see here, even member plan canceled. That way, if someone cancels their membership, you can push that information to another third-party tool so you are notified. But a very popular one would be contact us form submitted. So say, for example, I have another third-party email autoresponder. So when someone fills out the contact us form, I can push that information to my email autoresponder. Now, let me show you how that works. You first need something like AutoKit. I use AutoKit. So for the trigger, I need to select the app. So I selected Brilliant Directories, and I need to select an event. So there's a variety of different events. So lead submitted, about me form submitted, contact us form submitted. That's the one I want. So I select that. And then I need to add the webhook URL to Brilliant Directories. So I copy this and then I paste it right over here, and then I enable it. So now when someone fills out the contact form on my Brilliant Directories site, it will trigger in my AutoKit, and I could push that information to my ClickFunnels. So just so you know, this is all the data that can be pushed from Brilliant Directories to another third party. So you could see here the form name, the inquiry email, phone, comments, even the IP, the form ID, form name, the form URL if you want to know that. It will be displayed here, the proper form title, so on and so forth. So tons of data that can be recorded and pushed elsewhere. Tier 5 also gives you Zapier integration. Now with Zapier, it is a native integration, which makes things a little easier. So you select Brilliant Directories for your trigger, and these are all of the trigger events. So you have a new form inquiry created, a new lead created, new post created, new review, new user, so on and so forth. So these are the exact trigger events that you can select for the Zapier Brilliant Directories native integration. So in this example, my trigger event is new form inquiry created, and then I just need to sign in to my Brilliant Directories to connect my account inside Zapier. And that way, when someone fills out a form on my Brilliant Directories site, this will trigger, and then I can push it basically anywhere I want. Now, as an end user, this is how the experience will be. So I opened up an incognito window. Now, this is my custom domain. So you can add your own custom domain here. So if someone wants to add their directory listing on this website, they can click on join today. They can select their plan, maybe the free plan. Then they can create their account right here after filling out this information. Now, I already created an account as a business owner, so I'm going to go to login and then add my email and password, then click on login. Okay, so now I am logged in as a business owner with a directory inside this website. So this is my dashboard. I can publish content. I can manage my listing. This is my account details, recent transactions, so on and so forth. So I can update my business listing however I want to. So this is all the basic information that I can add, like my name, my email address. Also, this has Google Maps integrated. So you add your business address right here, and it will populate. So you can select the exact accurate address that's on Google Maps, and all of that information will be populated automatically here. You can enter your website links, social media links as well. And when a customer wants my services, they can fill out the contact form and they will become a lead. So if you click on manage leads, I do have one lead here and I could view their information. And here is what's the cool thing is that I could purchase this lead for 20 bucks or I can decline it. So this is one great way you can make money with your directory website is selling leads. Now, as a customer, this is the business directory listing. So if I'm looking for a car detailer in Los Angeles, I could check out this business information, check out the Google Maps, and I have the option to send a message and also write a review. Now, if I fill out this contact form, that's how I become a lead. And that lead will be under the Manage Leads view. And then as a business owner, I can go in here and purchase the lead, get their information, contact them, and hopefully turn that lead into a customer for my business. Now, when it comes to contact forms, you could view your forms inbox right here. You can also compose emails to your members or customers, and you could do that with this pop-up. Now, if you scroll down to the email content section, you could see the ChatGPT integration. So you can generate emails using ChatGPT. And you could also take a look at email templates. You could send newsletters as well. So these are the various templates here. And this is the email newsletter section. So as you can see, Brilliant Directories is a monster of a tool. I barely scratched the surface. I wish the UI UX could be better though, but the feature set is vast and very powerful. So if you want an even deeper dive into Brilliant Directories, I created another video that you can watch right over here.